I kind of want to go into this because one of the main goals of entertainment is to make people happy. That is something that I'm really passionate about. I want to be able to make people happy.
The Themed Entertainment Association of Notre Dame allows students to nurture the creative spark as they prepare to enter an industry that is built on imagination.
The themed entertainment industry encompasses a wide variety of events, from theme parks, museums, zoos, aquariums, escape rooms. Anything that you can add a story to falls underneath themed entertainment.
Sharing common goals and a unique spirit, these students unite for encouragement and collaboration. Together, they sharpen their skills, seek opportunity, and challenge each other to create increasingly unique and entertaining events that engage, entertain, and inspire the community at large.
It allows a different form of telling stories. It allows people to be more at the center of the story, interact with the story, be immersed in this story. As an engineering student, I want to be able to have the challenge to integrate storytelling into engineering. It is creating something that people will have an emotional response to.
Notre Dame Day is vital to all that we do and makes our annual LEGO Kingdom event both possible and free for all. From 8 a.m. to midnight in the Duncan Student Center, we welcome participants of all ages to build a LEGO theme park, giving kids a memorable experience and encouraging adults to unleash their inner child.
Thank you for helping our creative spark ignite a career.
Thank you for your continued generosity on Notre Dame Day and beyond.